Hello everyone, I am Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphologymadesimple, and in this video we are learning about different types of underlines. So writers who have two types of underline, these are the writers who try to force their will onto others. These are the writers who want other people to believe whatever they are talking about, or they believe that other people must listen to what they are talking about and must agree with that. Instead of hearing what other people want to say, they try to force their values, their own standard onto other people. Back signature. These are the writers who are living in the past. This signature is known as trace back signature. So these writers are living in the past and are having problem in moving on to future. Not a good signature. Zigzag. These are the writers who say one thing now, yet in future may do something different. So they're a little bit hypocrites, we can say. And since the angle is present here, these are the writers who are aggressive, and the rounded one, these are the writers who are calmer. Yet both these writers are someone who may say one thing now, but may do something in future, opposite in future. Not a good trait. Gaps, broken, underline. These are the writers who have partial confidence. They do not have full confidence, and because of that, they do not have very good amount of set of standards and values. Their standard and values keeps changing instead of having one. In short, they are someone who are not that firm in their whatever decision they take. Partial confidence. Single underline. These are the writers who are someone who like to be recognized, who like to be recognized by other people, and they are also someone who have some set of standards and values that they use that to live their life. So they could have value that I am not going to go below this, I am not going to go higher than this. So they have some set of standards for their life, and they follow that to live their life. And they have some inner, let's say, inner urge to impress other people as compared to these writers. These are the writers who don't feel the need to impress other people. They like to do things in their own manner, and they're okay even if other people are not recognizing them for their work. Ratan Tata sir, I believe he is having this type of signature. That's all for underlines. I believe you learned something new. If you are someone who's in any of this signature, then you avoid it. If you are someone who's in one underline, then you are someone who have some set of standards and values that you used to live life. And you are someone, if you don't have any underline, then you are someone who don't feel the need to impress the people. Both signatures are good. These other writers, on the other hand, do not have some set of standards and values as compared to these writers. So both signatures have some good quality as well as bad quality. How you want to be, depending on that, you can have your signature underlines. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning. Let's keep going. If you want to take notes, you can take notes from here.